Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. This is in the political niche. The phrase or the niche is Convict 45, and this is basically an anti-Trump shirt. 45 stands for President Trump being the 45th president. And so this is the phrase right here, Convict 45. When we take a look at the competition, you're going to see that there's only 119 results, so still very low. And we have some that are already starting to sell. Looks like two right here that have some good BSRs. And the styles that people are using are the traditional ones that people usually use for these political niches or these political designs, using the blue and red white lines, the American flag. So you can kind of take a look at some of these other designs to get some ideas. You can also go to Vexels. I have an affiliate link in the description. You can type in like American flag, things like that, stars, to get some clip art, some graphics to use for your designs. I went ahead and actually already uploaded a design in this niche on both white and black, and I just used the keywords Convict 45. I know a lot of people kind of get nervous, or they always comment on my video saying, "Hey, is this niche safe?" And the way, if you're nervous about it, just avoid words like Trump, MAGA. Even though I've used those words a bunch of times and I've never had any problems, but if you want to play it safe, just do Convict 45. And I just went ahead and uploaded a design. This is actually the design that I uploaded right here. You can see here, just very simple design right here. And I just used this text right here for the brand name and the title, and it's processing right now, and it went through. So we're good there. And when we go on to tests, we will see when we go Convict 45 that this is not trademarked. Well, it's actually my search session has expired, but when I searched it earlier, nothing popped up. And when we go to Etsy and we check out some of the other competition, we'll only see that there's only one design up. When we go to Redbubble and TeePublic, we're also going to see that the competition is also very low, only 33 designs. And TeePublic, let me just check real quick here. One thing about TeePublic, to be honest, TeePublic, I do better on TeePublic than on Redbubble. I know a lot of people really like Redbubble, but I've sold a lot of t-shirts, and especially political t-shirts, on TeePublic. So TeePublic is definitely one of my favorite places to upload designs onto, and I'm only seeing one as well. So this could be a good opportunity for us. As you guys know, political niches tend to sell very well. A lot of people want to see Donald Trump convicted. So this could be a good opportunity for us. We can see that this is already selling, and right now, as of recording of this video, it's Thursday, 7:45 in the morning. There's only 119 results. All right, so get your designs up. Go to Vexels, get some clip art. I got the affiliate link in the description. Get this design uploaded on all products. Put it up on all print-on-demand platforms. You want to diversify yourself as much as possible, because maybe you might have a bad day today on merch, but maybe on TeePublic or Redbubble on Etsy you might have a good day. So you just want to be as diverse as possible to monetize the design as much as possible. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and get this uploaded. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Click the bell. It's important to click the bell so that you get notified, because what can happen when these niches come out, if they take off, you want to get in early, right, so you have better chances to sell. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.